everyone! Today I'm going to test a new foundation by Essence Cosmetics. The 16-hour Stay All Day Long-Lasting Foundation. It's a newer and improved formula of their existing 16-hour long-lasting foundation. But the difference is that the new improved formula, it's vegan and is formulated without parabens, silicones, perfumes, alcohol, microparticles, and it's also oil-free. Essence is a cruelty-free brand and their products for the most part are made in Germany. I've also picked up the 16-hour long-lasting concealer, so we are going to try and review this one as well today. I don't think this product is released in the North America yet. Essence and her younger sister Catrice Cosmetics are German brands owned by Cosnova GmbH Group, and their new releases are for some time available only for the European market before being available to the rest of the world, if that makes any sense. The foundation popped up on my local drugstore Roseman. I believe it's also available on DM. If you are watching from you guys, I know DM is widely available on many countries. So I wanted to try it how it works on my 43 years old oily combination skin. The new Essence 16-hour Stay All Day Long-Lasting Formula Foundation claims to be a medium to full coverage foundation and it's delivered in only 6 shades. I'm matching myself on the shade 08 Soft Vanilla, and the retailing price for this product I have seen on Germany, it's 379 euros, which is a fair good exchange rate for the 99 Czech korunas I paid in here. Have I told you it's a waterproof formula? If not, I am telling you now, and I'm going to do a mass transfer test as well at the end of this video. The foundation is offered in a high quality glass bottle and has a super soft texture. I will also let you know by the end of this video what is the difference between this foundation and the Pretty Natural foundation from Essence, which is one of my holy grail foundations, and I will share with you which one of those two foundations I like more. And also I have a video that I have done not long ago about my top 5 favorite foundations that I recommend for people over 40 having oily skin combination. So if you want to find out a good recommendation, I highly recommend you to watch that video. I will have it linked up above and on the description box below. The 16-hour long-lasting concealer, it's coming only in a couple of shades. I believe this is not a new formula, but it's also waterproof and claims to contain light reflecting pigments that makes dark circle under your eyes as well as redness and shadow to disappear and to give you a fresh radiant look. And it claims to last up to 16 hours, of course. We will see that. I have the shade Natural Beige. And here I swatch it side by side next to my all-time matchy match shade from the Catrice Cosmetics. This is the Camouflage Concealer in the shade Porcelain on the right and the L'Oreal True Skin Concealer on the left side. I can see it's the most yellow in shade comparing with those two mentioned concealers. I have applied my moisturizer before. And now let's take a moment and admire my manicure because I'm really loving it and I don't want to miss this moment, so please let me know what you think about it. All the nail polishes I used to create it are by OPI. I'm going to use a pore minimizing primer by Catrice because the full coverage foundations tend to settle into my pores. Yeah, hard to get it out what was left. But a very good product otherwise. Using my daughter's hair clip to pin my hair, I have to tell you the first time I've applied this foundation, I was lazy and I used a brush. So I regretted that immediately. For my skin, the brush application offered instant full coverage, which in my case emphasized all the pores that I have. So I don't recommend brush application if you have skin texture. This sponge is by e.l.f. and I really love it. I thought it's discontinued, but is it still available on their website? Swatching a bit of the foundation to see later if it oxidizes. This is a full pump of product. I think the shade is a good match. Don't mind the zit from the chin because it won't be covered. It is a texture crust, or how it's called, because I didn't keep my hands out of the pimple. This is the second time I wear this foundation, but the first time I'm applying it with a sponge, and I really like the finish. It's a demi matte and I can say the coverage is medium. It looks almost natural and it sets by itself in a couple of minutes. Yeah, I really like it. What a big difference, in my case, to apply it with a sponge. I could have shown you how it looks the application using a brush, but I'm in parallel filming a look for a makeup challenge called Nailed It, so I really didn't want to look creepy. Here it's with a ring light off. So I'm pretty impressed and I think it's very comparable with the Pretty Natural foundation as finish, but just that one is a bit more lightweight. So if you need a higher coverage, the new 16-hour long-lasting formula is your BFF. I am just testing to see if it's buildable. And it definitely is. Now for the 16-hour long-lasting concealer, I am doing slightly different test. On my right eye, I am using a Peak Under Eye Corrector by Becca because I got some blue discoloration and I feel it's not covering enough. You'll see in a minute. I've been using the brush in the beginning so the product won't be absorbed by the sponge, and that is what I'm getting. So just to look on both sides similar, I'm building the coverage. I think the final result is okay. Next step is to set everything with a translucent setting powder. This one is by Inika and I love it because it does not affect the way that product acts. If I have a really bad foundation, this powder will not help it stay or wear better. I'm also using it in case of matte finish foundations because, guys, no matter what, I all the time set my foundation. Okay, so this is how the skin looks like after I finish the base. I have a beautiful natural finish and I'm definitely enjoying it. Almost forget about the oxidization test. Let's do it now. It does oxidize. A bit. This is the full glam face look. As I've mentioned, I'm participating in a challenge, so I will link the video up above in case you want to see it. The footage is taken after 3 hours. Meanwhile, the natural oils from my skin have blended, but I don't see any change on the foundation wear as of now. Both the 16-hour long wear concealer and foundation by Essence look perfecto! I said to show you how the 16-hour long wear foundation by Essence compares with their Pretty Natural one. The Pretty Natural foundation is more runny as consistency, hence it's lightweight. It is also a bit more expensive, if you can say that. The price is around €5. See you later! Here it's after 10 hours of wearing the new Essence Stay All Day Long Lasting Foundation and Concealer. I'm really impressed. It looks amazing on me. I think that comparing with the Pretty Natural foundation, that one does control a bit more the oil production. The concealer did not crease or settle, and I have pretty decent coverage left. The only place where I've slightly lost the coverage, it's on my nose, but this is because I said I have worn mask, and this one is specifically torturing the bridge of the nose. So the mask test now. Drum rolls! You can see the coverage of my foundation on the nose area is there, and a bit of the concealer, because the mask pokes my under eye area due to the fact that I don't have a wide face. So that's the disadvantage of wearing N95 or FFP2 masks. They rub the nose, but those are now mandatory in here. So I can say it's a transfer proof as well, because rubbing does not count, right? Don't forget to disinfect your hands after manipulating a mask, guys. And I cannot believe the price point of this product. Have I mentioned that Essence is also a cruelty-free brand? As most of German companies, they also are. Until a couple of years ago, I thought Essence is a Chinese brand. I don't know why, maybe because of their prices. I love this product. Has clean ingredients, friendly package, long wear formula, it's oil skin friendly and mature skin appropriate. The only downside I would say is the poor shade range comparing with the Pretty Natural one that comes in 16 shades, I believe. Hopefully they will come up with more shades and it will also make it available across the ocean. I think that Essence hit it again. For the price, but not only, I definitely and highly recommend you if you are a Essence Cosmetics fan, or if you just want a affordable day-to-day foundation, try this one. I have seen they stock Essence on feelunique.com that ship worldwide for free, I believe above 25 euros, and also on cosmeticforless.de. I will link both sites down below. So the final question, which one I prefer between the Pretty Natural foundation and the Stay All Day 16-hour longwear foundations by Essence? Hard to say. I gave you pro and con for both products, so you let me know which one you think is better. As of now, I would say I like them both for different reasons, so I think it's a tie. Don't forget to let me know if you are interested on these products I have shown you today. And if you have tried them, please share your thoughts down below. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Bye, guys!